Good evening, everybody. This is Sulagna from Campus Technology, portfolio company of Times of India. So today we will discuss how to upload affiliation related data and documents. Now, initially what we have to do after launching the browser, like I have launched Google Chrome, that can be Firefox, anything. So after you do that, you have to click on this right corner, three dots. When you click on that, there will be new incognito window or private window. So after clicking there, you will get a page like this where we have to put the login link which you will be getting over mail. Now, after I put the login link, the page will come. It's loading. It will take probably 2-3 minutes. So for demo, I will be using Ambai Arts College login details. Now, in the meantime, as you can see, the page has come. Here I will put the login ID and password. So after putting the password, we have to click on button login. So as you can see, the page will come like this. Now what we have to do, we have to click on college details. Now if I click on college details, as you can see, the forms on your left hand side, all the forms will come. Now how to update the data? So if I go to the first, form, that is NIRF or NAC and other accreditation, if I click on that, so there are two options as you can see, that is add data and add bulk data. But I would suggest that you should go for this add data, that is one by one. Now what we have to do, calendar year has to be given, then type NAC or NIRF, then the grade. Now, after putting all the options, if you click on add, the data will be added. And if you go back, since it's a college login, so I'm not adding any demo data. So it will populate over here. Now, coming to admission details, there you can go for, bulk data upload. So for bulk data upload, if you click on bulk data, what will be the headers that will arrive here. So if you have any confusion regarding what should be given, if you go to add data, for example, academic year. So academic year, there is a drop down. You have to select from the academic year. Now enter a current first year student, that details has to be added. Now program, as per the college, the program will be auto populated. You need to select from the drop down. So here, while adding the data, if any data you don't have, you can initially put NA, but no field should be left blank. So any of the field is blank, then you will be not able to add the data. So for example, while adding the data, you have few data and few data you don't have. So if you keep it blank and click on add data, so it will not come anything. So how much I have added, see, this thing only, other fields are blank. So this is, I'm sure, it will not be accepted from the university also. Now after adding the data, if you go to upload button, then a bucket, it's not here configured. It will be accessible probably by tomorrow. So the bucket will be there. You have to select the bucket, and from there you can add the data, I'm sorry, documents. So in this way, for every forms, data has to be added and the respective documents has to be added. Now I will come to admitted students. Here data is already added, only admitted students number we have to add. Now how you will add this? Now on your right hand side there is a edit option, so you have to click on this edit option, and you cannot change the sanction because that has been already approved as sanction seats by the university. Now you have to put only the student number of students admitted, so that can be any number that has to be updated over here, and if you click on update data, that will be updated. So in this way, for every form, I'm sorry, data and documents has to be uploaded. Now again, I will show the faculty adding data like faculty details. Here also, there is a drop down for the program. So we need to select for the respective faculty is from for which program or from which program. So that can be added from this drop down only. And other things that has to be added one by one. So here also I will again repeat that if any data while updating any form you don't have, you need to either put NA, or if it's for example enter account number. If you put NA over here, that will not do. You have to put 0. So for any numeric column, it has to be 0. For any alphabetic column, you have to put NA. So this way, you need to, update the data. So further, if you have any query related to data updation or any kind of query related to login, you can directly connect with University College Development Cell, CDC sir. Then accordingly, we will get connected.